My final bit of advice may seem perhaps a little silly, but I think it's very important to point out that design is not easy. Good code does not happen by accident. I think it's too common to create a fixed, non-agile timeline for doing design. This leads to hacks and shortcuts as the deadline approaches. It can help to take a step back from the schedule and look at the overall quality of the work product. I've described 5 principles that are a central part of well-designed software: single responsibility, open closed, Liskov substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion. Remember why I started this journey? My new alternator for my ancient diesel engine. I had gathered some data and I needed to do some analysis, and then I realized my software was not adequate and I needed to do some more analysis. My first bit of analysis revealed the following. The R value, the correlation coefficient, was quite high. This first essential discovery led me to do further and deeper data analysis. And because of this, the problem switched from discovery to engineering a solution. I needed to do more with the data, and I needed more robust, more flexible software. Here's my second result. The linear regression model between actual engine RPMs and what the old out-of-calibration tachometers said. In this picture, the tach needle is pointed at 1,000 RPMs. My regression model tells me the engine is probably idling at about 810 RPMs. The new wheels on the alternator make it look like it's working harder than it is. And now I also have software I can use for even deeper analysis, introducing additional variables like wind and current and volume of fuel in the tank. I can change file formats. I can add better statistical processing algorithms. Software is always in a state of flux. Pebbles are always being tossed into the water. How far will the ripples spread? Will the ripples be destructive? Good design keeps the ripples of change under control. I hope that you can use the solid design principles to make sure your software can be maintained and adapted without destructive changes. These principles have been very helpful to me, and I hope these techniques help you build your own skills and become a better programmer.